All right, we have a fun one for you today, guys. We're doing a little cabin camping. We got a 3.5 mile hike out yonder somewhere. We got some loaded down dogs. Got my loaded down girlfriend straggling along back there somewhere. There she is. And we're going out to Campers Cove. It's one of my favorite camping spots back that way. So we got to go around this cove, around another cove, and then I think the third or the fourth cove over is where we're going. So we'll cue you in every once in a while. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So we did the smart thing and we're hiking out at high tide. Because when it's low tide, you can normally just hike straight across here and that would just be way too easy. We like a challenge. So this is gonna be fun. Okay, we're at the other end of the cove. Started off over there. We're about to go into the trail and hike around to the next cove over. It's one of our old camp spots. We're just coming from. There's where we're going. Puppies know where to go. Okay, we just made it over to the next cove, popped out on the beach. So we're gonna follow the beach around, go into the woods, go around that little peninsula over to Camp Freedom, and keep hiking to the next cove over after that. There are 2 coves, 3 coves at least. We're Sugan being a pack dog, hating life. And Yeti, it's just another day in the life for her. Yeah. Yeti's so happy. Yeah, you done with this bullshit, Sukan? Poor Sukans. Gotta be a pack dog. Take 5 minutes here. Okay, we're at the other end of the bay, just past a private cabin. We were just over there, resting. We came from a couple of coves over that way. Now we're gonna head back into the woods, up and over the hill to Camp Freedom. There's Camp Freedom. See the disc golf basket down there. Might still be a platform to float around on out there. One of the nicest features of this trail is these pike steps, I think. Pretty nice. Had to get over that fallen log. But we are just over this hill is the mouth of that cove. So we're almost there. Good girl. And there's Campers Cove cabin. Oh. Yeah, stay to the right of that tree. And then just Superman dive down. You can do the old otter belly slide. Yep, that works. Gets all the way down there. He knows where we're going. Here is the cabin. Got a little oil stove, a bunk. A view. Go turn on the oil. Get that on. Campers Cove. Got the outhouse. Here we've got a little oil stove going. Get some oxygen. Thing's pretty handy. Wonder how much one of these cost. Wouldn't mind having a wood stove or a little oil burner in the camper. Get the oxygen off. Dies down a little bit. Pretty cool though. Let that go. Let's see, we got our water, a couple select beverages. Morning time. Let the dogs out. It's a pretty peaceful night besides one mouse. Must have crawled in over here, but he got in on the other side and then scaled down and grabbed the toilet paper. Started chewing on it in the middle of the night, but then the dogs were on mouse patrol. Pretty good. Now we're gonna heat up a burrito, have some coffee, ready to hike back.